Choosing a phone carrier feels like navigating a maze, so today we're going to pitch US Mobile against Mobile to see which one truly comes out on top. First, let's talk flexibility. US Mobile lets you build your own plan. You pick the exact amount of data, talk, and text you need. Mobile, on the other hand, usually focuses on unlimited plans. Check out their website to compare the different tiers they offer. Now, let's get down to brass tacks. Price. US Mobile can be significantly cheaper, especially if you don't need tons of data. Mobile's unlimited plans can be pricier, but they often offer perks like streaming service subscriptions or international data. Coverage and speed are crucial. US Mobile uses both Verizon and mobile networks, so coverage is generally excellent. Mobile's network is constantly expanding, especially their 5G. If you live in an area with good mobile coverage, you can expect fast speeds and reliable service. Finally, let's talk customer service. US Mobile generally gets good reviews for its online chat support. So, which carrier is best? It really depends on your needs. If you want a customizable plan and potentially save money, US Mobile is a great option.